Hey everyone, welcome back to Amore Fabrics. I got a huge lineup here for you guys for the children's junk journals kits, the vintage children's junk journal kits. There's so much to tell you guys. What you see is what you are getting. The ephemera pack itself is going to be over 100 pieces, full pages, and some vintage, retro, and just different types of playing cards and stuff like that. Now tomorrow, Sunday, at noon, will be the release of each one of these kits. They will be in the shop. I will have them individually listed so you can get the one that you want. Okay, heads up though. Here you guys thought I was going to put a book cover in each. Well, yesterday I had scored big. I can't. I can't. My heart is just overflowing with excitement. So I had scored on 1940s to 1970s, I would say early 70s, golden books that are first editions. Yes, first editions. What you see here, if I would put these in a store right now, first editions, how do you know that they're first editions? Thanks to a good friend of mine, Kristen, if you're watching, thank you, thank you, thank you. It will have an A on the inside cover. Now, some of these are a B and a C, which is second or third edition, but the ones I'm showing you are mostly all first editions. But when you go to the listing to pick out your kit, it will tell you if it's a first, second, or third edition for those who want to know. These kits, originally I was going to do them $28, but getting these books, I couldn't rip them. I couldn't rip them, guys. So when you get a kit, you're getting the entire full book. Look at look at these pages. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm going to show you every book and every kit that I have. You guys, these, I've all my years of collecting. Now, this one here, give you guys a heads up, this one here is Dr. Dan. They used to have Band-Aids in here, if you're probably wondering what that is. Some of these had puzzles, which on the back inside cover, I can try to find those for you, which ones those were. But all in all, they used to have Band-Aids. Isn't that so cool? Yes, I got all these books. I bought 70 of them on the marketplace in my local area, which was quite amazing. But I'm just about like 90% done with the kits. My husband today helped me with the ephemera pack that is underneath there. It's crazy cool. I still got to put in Dick and Jane's. Dick and Jane's, I think, are at 3 or 4 pages in every one, guys. And these are all vintage. Every bit of it is vintage. So even the buttons, if you can see here. I did a cute little pocket on every kit. Every kit's going to be different. Like I said, you can see your pocket and your buttons. I put in vintage retro buttons as well. Just like, for instance, here, these are the fabrics that will be in every one. Those who on the Junk in My Trunk list had requested retro fabrics, vintage fabrics when it comes to children's, and I hit it. And I've also had a request on vintage children's ephemera packs, and there you have it. In this case, you guys are getting the complete full book. Yes. So I'm making the kits $34. I know it's a little bit more than what I intended, but to cover the cost of these, because I can put these in the shop, these books are running between $20 to $25 a piece right now. But I wanted to give you guys the chance to have the actual first edition, 1940s to the 1970s, which is crazy. The new baby one. So the Rick Rack I'm putting in each because I'm not done with all these. I still got to add the Rick Rack. I've been matching it to the theme of the book. So white and that. Like this one here is the retro greens and reds. So I put red and green in there. And you can see I just matched the buttons to kind of go with each kit. So when I did each kit too, if it's a new baby book that I put in there, I try to put as many as I can about baby and stuff in there as well. Again, look at, you guys get the entire books. Oh my gosh, isn't that awesome? And the new baby is a C. So it is a third edition, but oh my gosh, still, I mean, crazy. Here's this one here. I still need to add the fabrics to this one. Buttons are adorable. But I'm not going to go through every one of them. See, that one had a puzzle originally in the back. Isn't that cool? Pages are gorgeous, guys, no matter what. The book covers are in immaculate condition. Every one of them. I just had to give it to you. None of them have barcodes, guys, because they are the original 1940s to the 1950s. My friend Kristen, who is hopefully watching, she's probably going to be so mad at me. She's like, Salena, sell them individually in the shop. Well, oh my God, look at that. How darling is that? Now, this whole entire haul belonged to a kid named Bob or Bobby. This is a B. This is a second edition. But, yeah, look at how I did Oshkosh, like pocket, to match a little boy. I did the Wrangler like for like the cowboy one here. And I did the recipe cards to kind of match each kit. And I did like the buttons on the Wrangler one for like a cowboy. Isn't that cool, guys? So I'm going to show you the ones we have. Like I said, I'm just about done. But look, right? I'm just, when I got them, I fell over. I was like, I was going to start ripping. And then I noticed that they're mostly 1st, 2nd, and 3rd editions. 90% of them were 1st editions. Right? All right, so these ones are totally not done. It's kind of dim and dark on this side because I don't have no lights on right now. But let me go over here. The kittens. We have 3 different kitten ones. I almost kept this one because I had a Katie cat. Katie. But look at the pockets. I still got to cut out the pockets. These are children's pants pockets. You're probably thinking, oh my gosh, I got to put pockets on this one. But the color kittens were the most expensive one, I noticed. Here's another cat one. The name of Kitty. Alice in Wonderland. I did only a few Disney, but again, they're 1st editions. 2nd or 3rd. Let's see what Alice is really quick. And her pages. She's a 1st edition. Guys, $34. I mean, you get free shipping if you spend $35 or more. So if you get 2 kits, you guys get free shipping. But look at it. I normally don't do Disney, but I had to. Oh, so then I did a Cinderella. She's a 1st edition as well. She's Cinderella Friends. Yeah, she's a 1st edition. Guys, come on now. I mean, like, how could I rip it? And look at the cover. I mean, they're so immaculate. I probably can get $30 for these. But I wanted to give you guys first dibs. I got blessed for a good price for them. I still got to do the pockets. These ones I still got to do. Rainbow Bright. Come on now. She's the only newest one, and she has a barcode. She's the only one in this whole entire pack that has barcode. But, I mean, I had to throw in Rainbow Bright. How could I, like, leave her out, right? So there's a Rainbow Bright, only one. I haven't seen Rainbow Bright in a long time. There is a Howdy Doody. The over there, this is really cool. Really cool. Over there, I'm going to take you guys. This is the only non-golden book. I had to put her in there. She was gorgeous. Someone's going to want Heidi. But again, there's the kitty cats. Absolutely love the kitty cats. That's my favorite kitty cat. You got Merry-Go-Round. This is going to bring back memories for a lot of people. I'm going to take you over there because over there is the farmhouse. Okay, sorry guys, it's so dim. But here's Tugboat. Look at the buttons. It's going to look so good together. Duck and Friends. I know these are all 1st editions. The Jolly Barnyard. You guys have seen that in the past, but have you ever had a 1st edition? Right? There you go. Crazy, right? Never seen this one in Golden Books. The 7 Sneezes. Pages are cute in this one, I know. Too cute, too retro. Never seen this one either. I even put some really unique type buttons in there. This is an oldie right there. See the puppy. And I made sure, again, I tried putting like pictures like puppy dogs and things like that in the puppy one. Yeah, just way too cute, guys. Here is little Yip. He's the only one who's got a little bit of something, but he's a very popular Golden Book, and he is a 1st edition as well. And then What Am I? Chip, he has the blue spine. He's the most expensive one right here, guys. He's one is the priciest one. He's the oldest one of them all, guys, for those who want Miss Chip. And I had done like a woodland type of buttons. I still got to do the pockets for these guys. Hope I'm not making you too dizzy. Gaston and Josephine, believe it or not, is a very rare book. The Wonderful House, those who remember that one, look at the buttons. This one too, another rare one. Really cool book. And of course, one of my favorites, The Fuzzy Duckling. So, all right, guys, I'm going to make you a little more dizzier. So as you can see, I got the lineup going on here. I'm getting these ones almost complete. They'll be done Sunday, guys. Sunday at noon. I'm posting the videos. I'm going to do the opening of the new baby one. This is the one I'm going to open up and show you the pages of and stuff. Gosh, guys, I still right here, I'm going to show you, I still got to put in Dick and Jane. So why I'm holding off, let me pause. Okay, why I'm holding off on Dick and Jane and that is because I wanted to match the theme of the children with the covers. So I need to rip those ones. But I ripped all those vintage books, guys. Let's see if I can turn this. So I just wanted to like match it. Like this one can go with one of the books. You know, like the kitty cat one, maybe I can put that in a kitty cat book. So I'll flip them and I'm going to put them on the books that I think match the best, like maybe the puppy dog one. But yeah, so I need to go through all these. There's a whole huge stack, guys, of just Dick and Jane. So I'm thinking there's going to be like maybe 5 pages of each kit because I still have all these to rip as well. And then another thing I'm putting on is those vintage books that had all the nursery rhymes and stuff. Same thing. I had put in here on top of each book, depending on the book, I'm going to be putting a page of one of the colorful themes. Like I think it was Jack, here's Cinderella. These are the old fables. That's Aladdin. Jack and the Beanstalk. So I was going to match them with whatever books. I still got some game things to throw in there. But other than that, look at nursery rhymes. And that one probably definitely go into the kitty cat, one of the kitty cat ones. I'm taking my time on that. I just didn't want to do an assembly line on these because I wanted to make sure you guys got a great variety and they matched your theme of the book. Just in case you guys do decide to rip your books. Again, they're right there. I'm going to be doing that right now. I'm excited. Sorry, it's backwards and upside down. Okay, so Sunday, guys, at noon. That is tomorrow at noon Central Time. I will have each and every one of these in the shop individually so you can pick them. Again, if you're late to watching the video, they're all unused first, second, or third editions. And I'm just so glad I'm able to put those in your guys' kits. It's going to be $34 for the kit. Again, I made sure the kits were under £1. So then it'll be the cheapest rate if you decide not to get 2 kits. And then if you do decide to have this kit and add something light and say not a second kit, at least you get free shipping, guys. I mean, you can't beat that. That's United States, of course. So, and international, if you decide to get a kit, I made sure it was under £1, so therefore it wouldn't be the worst cost for shipping. It would be under £1. All right, guys, I am ready to put these guys and finish them up for you today. Get some more pockets, more rickrack, and I'm sure I'm going to find more goodies, guys. But again, like I said, the ephemera pack, oh my gosh, it's beyond 100 pieces, I think, and a lot of them were full pages. And the books that I used, hang on one second, are all right here. I'm going to go ahead tomorrow when I do the video. Maybe I'll do a show of these. Originally, guys, when those who've been following me, they thought you guys were going to get these book covers in the kits. Well, we had upped the game, guys. I got to get these fabrics cut. I've upped the game. You guys are going to get a full, complete book. And then those covers, if those who did want the Dick and Jane books, covers and stuff, or the Bobby Twins or whatever the other ones were, I'm going to have them in a shop. I'm going to put them in lots, and you guys can get them that way. Very inexpensively. You guys can pick up the book covers if you like. So, all right, guys. Run on over tomorrow at noon. This is going to post. I'm so excited. I need to get busy. I'm going to get this done for you guys. So, oh my God, aren't they beautiful? Come on now. Just stunning. I'm just so excited, guys. I've never, ever had a haul with such beautiful mint condition golden books like this. It's a dream. All right, guys. Have a good one. Until tomorrow.